Hello, how is everyone doing?
Good.
My name is LaSonia Brown, and today I'm going to tell you how to become a teacher. A teacher is a person who instructs and teaches. A teacher is a person who likes to help because they are caring, understanding, and they have the pleasure to teach kids to become successful in life. Who can become a teacher? Anyone can become a teacher as long as you have a love for children and you love to teach. A teacher's education is 2 years to 4 years of college. You can have an associate's degree, a bachelor's degree, and an accredited teacher program. And a teacher makes about $19,400 a year to $72,000 a year. A teacher also have benefits, and their benefits includes dental, vision, and health insurance. Teachers also have 401k, and teachers also have unions. And these unions help teachers to become better in their job. It also helps them to do extra work that they need to do, and it also helps them with networking. And there are different positions in becoming a teacher. You can become a preschool teacher. You can become a community college teacher. You also can become a high school teacher. It depends on the experience that you have. It depends on how long you've been teaching. And it depends on what all you want to do to become a teacher. Do anyone have any questions? Thank you for your cooperation.